Hi, this is Sushil from Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. In the last video, I explained to you about what is Vlookup. In today's video, I'll be explaining you how can I use Vlookup from different sheet. So let us see our sample data. I have a data where in one sheet I've got this is my sheet Vlookup. I have a data here which says item ID and supply. This is where I'll be using my formula actually. My main data is in my next sheet. This is called as a stock list. You can download this sample file from my description. I want whatever items I type over here, I would like to have the item ID and supply from the list of the next sheet. That is a different sheet I'm having over here. So for example, I'll just use the formula here, item ID. So first of all, for formula के लिए you write equal to VLOOKUP tab. So when you press tab, you get this bracket open. Click on B14. This is where you will be typing the items. So say VLOOKUP bracket open B14. So click on B14. Then comma. Then you come over here, stock list, and select the full table. This item and full table by dragging my mouse. And then you say comma. It will ask you the column index number, that is 2, comma 0. You can type instead of 0, you can write false also. Bracket close. 0 stands for exact match. If that item is not there in your list, it will not show you. So now when I press enter, at the moment it's showing you anywhere because I'm not entering any items over here. For example, I'm just typing a laptop. Enter. So it gives me the item ID. See, item ID. So similar thing, if I want to check my supply also, equal to VLOOKUP tab. When you press tab, you get this bracket open. Click on laptop, that is that item I'm searching for, comma. Then come to your stock list, that is the name of the sheet. Select the full table by using your mouse. And write down there, comma 3, comma 0. Bracket close. Enter. So here if I type any other option, like for example, I have mouse also in that list. So it gives you the mouse ka item ID and supply. If I type here even iPad I had, it will give me. If I type any other details which is not there actually, pen drive I'm just writing. So it will give me, because pen drive is not there in my that list of mine. So if it is there in that list, it will show you. So if you find this tutorial helpful, give me a like and subscribe to my channel Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. In my next video, I'll be explaining about name ranges, and also I will be explaining you how can I use exact match and accurate match. That is your when to use true and when to use false. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.